Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Jeep Grand Cherokee battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Always prioritize safety. Ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from potential hazards. Finally, locate your battery, which is often found under the passenger seat or beneath the hood, depending on your model. Now, let's safely disconnect the old battery. It is crucial to always disconnect the negative terminal first. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal, then carefully remove the cable and tuck it away from the battery. Once the negative is clear, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal using the exact same process. Take your time and be gentle with the connections. With both terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. First, loosen the battery hold-down clamp, which typically secures the battery in its tray. Carefully lift out the old battery. Remember, these can be quite heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds. Now, gently place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits flush and securely. Finally, reattach and tighten the hold-down clamp to prevent any movement while driving. Now for the final steps, connecting your new battery. This time, you will connect the positive terminal first. Securely tighten the nut with your wrench. Next, connect the negative terminal, ensuring it is also snug and tight. For added protection, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Finally, start your Jeep Grand Cherokee to confirm everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.